So if you've got a need for an additional spindle, you're looking for a machining centre, yet you're a little bit uncertain, maybe you don't want to outlay any money at the moment, well then Ward High Tech may be able to help you. Not only based on the fact that this machine's here in stock and you can have it within 3 days, but also the fact that their commercial support they consider to be unrivaled in this industry. 3 options I'm going to tell you about. They're an accredited funding house here. They have their own finance, Ward High Tech, and there are 3 things that they may be able to do for you at the moment. The first of which is rent you a machine like this for a 12-month period, and then at the end of that period you can then talk to them about either purchasing it or handing it back, and you won't have to worry about the fact you've made 12 payments, because that will be reflected in the deal that they then do with you for the rest of the term. The second is that you could maybe take a payment holiday, as I said at the start of this, have this machine hit the deck, this BBT 40 1200 X-axis machining centre from Dah Lih, with all of the things you expect from a Dah Lih machine, high-speed machining, 4th axis unit fully interfaced here. Have this machine on the deck and don't pay anything for a few months. Make money out of this machine before you actually start paying back the machine. Or there is another alternative, a 0% finance deal. You can save thousands of pounds on a deal like that, or in fact on any of the deals that Ward High Tech are here to help you with. So it's not just about the machine, it's not just about the fact that you've got a Dah Lih machine here. There are hundreds of these around the UK, reliable, solid, heavy-duty machining centres. It's also the fact that those terms could help you through difficult times and could help you still continue to invest in your business, which could set you apart from your competition. Visit wardhightech.co.uk.